So, what we discussed yesterday in the sense last section, the last section that we discussed related to, so the pending topics I will say you, lookups and descriptive flex fields, and these are the small topics are there, right? These all are the pending topics, right? Okay. So now trees topic I explained it in last section, right? Okay. So I need to add one point to the tree section. Okay. So we discussed all types of trees, right? Okay. We have four types of trees, that is organization, geography, department, and position. Okay. Now coming to organization tree. See, let me explain. See, in department tree, all departments only will have, right? Department 2 and department 3. Coming to position tree, which position comes under which one? P2 and P3. Now coming to, this is called as position tree. This is called as department. Okay. Now coming to geography. Geography, okay. What all are the countries comes under this geography? Over here, country, states, okay, location, right? We can define in this way. Country, under the country, what all are the locations or what all are the states? Some mostly country and locations. Under the country, what all are the locations? States also we can define in the location. That's okay. Raghu, this one is understood. Position is also good. Department is also. So I forgot to mention in organization tree. In organization tree, organization in the sense, what all are the things come, sir? Enterprise, under enterprise, what all are the legal entities are there? Under which legal entity? Which business unit is there? Under which business unit? Which department is there? Under which department? Which up to department? These all are the things that you can define. Okay. Now, just to click on plus and just create a tree. You know, right? Test organization. Okay. Click on next. Next. Submit. So then after search for this one, the version only you will be able to add the notes, right? Create the tree version. Click on next. 1 by 1951. Click on next. Here you have to add classification I'm giving over here. Enterprise. Search for the enterprise. See, when you are searching, are you getting any so many enterprises? No, right? Why? Only one enterprise can be accepted by one instance. Okay. Select this one, add to the node. Thereafter, search after this one, which one you want to add? Division, right? Take the division, search. So these all are the divisions that we are getting. Okay. Add to the tree. Under the division, how many legal entities are there? Search. Mhm. Click on OK. Just search. You can control and choose also, sir. You can add all these things. Just click on add to now. All these things will be added. Got it or didn't got? Hello. Hope you understood. Just submit. We have submitted this one. Come down. Then it go for the online audit. How many of you understood? Hope you got the clarity. So the difference is over here that we will add, we will create an organization tree, which enterprise comes under, which legal entity comes under the which division, and which division comes, what are the divisions are there, what are the business units comes under the legal entity. So in interview, they will ask this question, sir, how you create the structure? Where did you define the structure? Okay. What all are the places that we can create this structure? Anyone can explain? At what all are the places that we are able to create the structure, sir? See, when we are defining the enterprise, first class, we are defined, right? Under the enterprise, there is a division, thereafter legal entities and business unit. Hello, am I right or not?
Yes, Raghu.
Then after where we defined, when we are creating the legal entity, there we defined what are the legislative data group, under which country it is coming, and under that one, what are the business units are there. Under whenever we are creating the legal entity, we are able to attach the business units also. Am I right or not? There is a second place. There also we can create. And third point, even we can create the organization tree also. All these things should be synchronized. Okay. Should not get any disturbance over there. Then only it is what I can say. Audit is successful. Okay. Now, coming to next topic, coming to the next topic, that is lookups, then after descriptive flexible. See, I'm going new person, I'm clicking on. Then after hire an employee, I'm clicking on. Okay. See, once you observe over here, sir, title is there. So under this title, so we explained, we discussed hire action and action reason. Just to click on title. Over here, okay, you are able to see so many options, right? Hello. When this is called as list of values. If I'm clicking, it is opening so many options to us. This one, we will call it as list of values. Correct? So see, this list of values, if you want to, if the requirement is, if the end user business is asking, Raghu, I need this list of values. I need this list of values. Okay. To be defined more means they want new list of value for this title. Raghu, how we know? Where to go, navigate. Okay. These things we will define, we will create in lookups. We will call it as lookups. Okay. So we can create not only for this test title, sir, for everywhere we are having this list of values, we will call it as lookup values. Okay. I'm logging into new page, new in system. Come here, setup and maintenance. Okay. Click on manage common lookups. Manage common lookups. Okay. Just give the blank search. Blank search, when we can give the blank search? If there is nothing is given, like star marks are given. Okay. See, there are so many lookups, sir. Correct? There are so many lookups. Okay. Not only for the our purpose, there are absence related. There are so many lookups are there. See. Okay. See. Now I'm just giving just clicking on title. Once you observe over here, this is related to title, ours one. Okay. When the end user is asking me to define or create, okay, a lookup value for the lookup value for this title, then you have to come down to the manage common lookups. There you have to search for the title. Okay, then you will know. Raghu, that's okay, Raghu. If I want to create a new lookup for not only for the title, any other in the under other modules and those things, how I can do? Just go and get it in the search it in the Google Oracle Docs. There you will get the correct name and everything. Clear? Now coming to over here, you can observe. See here I can create. Just click on place. Okay. Sequence I am giving over here 1. Okay. Now effective date I am giving 1 by 1951. That's it. Okay. Now, what is this one, sir? This one I will explain. These all are the descriptive flex fields. Okay. Not required. Now, I'm just clicking on save meaning also. Test 17 like that I'm writing. Clicking on save. Save and close. Click on done. Okay. Now come here. Click on cancel. Okay. Then after hire an employee, click on hire an employee. See, test 17 is coming. Hello.
Yes, Raghu.
See, here two questions you will get. Raghu, you know directly that this is a title and you over there you went and created. That's well and good. If I don't know what is the if I don't know what is the value, okay. So in that scenario, try to search it with the meanings or else look up title. Means absence related. If you are going, click on absence. Okay, you will get all the absence related things. Then this is related to absence reason. If you are not satisfied with this one, then just search with the then see the description over here. Then after, okay, search it in the Oracle Docs, which lookup value is serves your list of value. which lookup code, which lookup type is serves your expected list of value. Okay. Now coming to, I want to explain in the interview, they will ask what all are the, how many types of lookup values that we have. Okay, how many types that we have in the lookup. See, over here you can see extension, system, and user. Correct? Am I right or not? How many types that we have? Extension and system and user. Correct? See, first I will choose, these all are the lookup codes. Under this lookup codes only we are able to create the values, right? First of all, I am choosing user. See, when I am choosing user, plus button is there. I can create the plus button over there. I can give user. Okay, display sequence I'm giving 6. Here 1 by 1951 I'm giving. Okay, that's. Then after I can again create a new one. Okay, see, even I can create a new one also over here. And you can observe, sir, you can even delete this one. And which one, regarding which one that I am discussing, sir? User, right? You can delete this one also. How many types that we have? First one is user, system, extension, right? User, system, extension. In user, we are able to add, delete, correct? Okay, we can create, we can add and delete. Now coming to extension, what we can do in the extension, see, click on extension, click on extension. See, if I'm clicking on extension and choosing anything, am I able to delete this one, sir? Hello? Am I able to delete? Is
No.
graph mark is enabled? No, right? In extension, what we can do? We cannot delete existing ones. Already existing ones, we cannot delete. If I'm creating a new one, okay. Okay. If I'm creating a new one, see, if I'm choosing already existing one, you cannot delete. If I'm creating the new one, if I'm creating a new one, I'm able to delete. See, I'm able to delete. Now, this one is okay. We can add comma delete what we created. Got it? Now, coming to system, sir. Coming to system defined lookups. System defined lookups. See, over here, plus is not there, even cross mark is also not. See, if a lookup, suppose example, it's a lookup code which is defining, title is defining the lookup code. That is user defined. That's why we are able to add and delete. System defined, if that lookup is system defined, you cannot delete, sir. Existing. But you can create and delete whatever you are going to create. Okay. Now, coming to use system defined. System defined, you cannot delete and you cannot even add also. That is called system defined lookups. You have to check if the requirement is coming into the place. You have to check whether you are able to add anything over there or not. Okay. Now, One more point I have to explain it over here. See, I've created one lookup. Okay. I've created one lookup. Which lookup I'm created? Title, right? In this lookup, this is the lookup, right? Yes. So what does mean tag, sir? What is mean by tag? Tag in the sense the requirement is gave only for the certain countries, like certain countries in the sense India, comma, Sri Lanka, comma, France. This lookup should be available when the employee is hiring for the legal entities which all are coming under these countries. Then you have to keep it as, you have to tag INSLFR, means IN in the sense India. So these codes, these country codes, where you will get all these country codes, you will get all these countries codes. Okay, you will get all these country codes in the doc. Okay, doc in the sense whenever I'm saying try to open in this. You have to search, you have to trust the docs which all are comes under the Oracle docs.org. See, Control F, Spain. For Spain, ES. Okay. Portugal, PT. In this way, you have to mention. And now, coming to, you may ask the question, Raghu, I want in this way that I want, except Portugal, all other countries should be visible. Then you have to mention in this way, minus PT. If the requirement is except Portugal and Spain, Spain is SES, right? I want to see all the countries except Portugal and Spain. Then you have to mention in this way, minus PT minus ES. How many of you understood? Hello,
Understand, bro.
got it right?
Yes.
Sorry, Srinu, Pratap,
Yes,
Yes,
Raghu.
sir, I
I
understand.
got it.
good, good. So now coming to very important topic. Click on new person, hire an employee. Okay. Now I'm just what I'm doing. Come here, click on this, my name. This one we call it as settings and actions. Then click on highlight flex fields. Highlight. See, these flex fields are getting highlighted or not. So these all are the columns. These all are the attributes. Actually, what we will call, sir, all these things, we will call it as attributes or segments. Attributes or segments. Okay. See, these all are the things are got highlighted. Correct? Any other things all are got highlighted, sir? No. Means these all are flex fields. Flex fields. What does mean? What is mean by flex fields? Flex fields in the sense, if the requirement is from the business on any certain page, actually we will call it as a site. We call it as site. Any site, any certain site level. Site level, business is expecting new attributes. New attributes. Then you can define it in the descriptive flex field. Got it? So if the requirement is in new hire, I want new flex fields. I want to capture more information of that employee. I want to capture more information of that employee. That is the requirement from the business. More information in the sense, Arkle is providing up to here only. These information only that they can accept. But client is asking, Raghu, on new hire page, I want to capture more information that is project details or something and all. Then this one can be achievable from descriptive flex fields. Okay. Come here. On which page that client is asking us to create the new attributes, come there and just click on highlight flex fields. Then everything will be highlighted. Okay. Come here, over here, settings button is there, right? Tools button is there, right? Keep your cursor over there. Configure descriptive flex field. Correct? Now, just before that, one thing is there. Go there. See. Over there, you are getting flex field code and flex field name, flex field type, application name. Per in the sense, person related application name. Okay, flex field code per person's DFF. Okay, now over here, come here. See, I'm just clicking on descriptive flex fields. I want to edit this one. So here itself you will get, sir, flex field per person DFF. All these things are coming. Just search it. For persons. Correct? Under this one, everything is coming. Like that only they told. Over here available, right? Just see, click on, choose this DFF and click on plus. Click on edit. See, test new DFF, new second DFF. Test new DFF, new second DFF. Over here only available. Am I right or not? Hello? Yes or no?
Yes, Raghu.
Okay. Not only from here, sir. This one I'm navigated from manage descriptive flex fields. Then after I searched for this code, then I got. How you know this code, sir? From here. Not only from here, sir. If I am clicking on this one, also you will be directly navigated to the same page. See, per person DFF is there, right? Hello. Same page only we are navigated. Clear? Just click on edit. Just click on edit. Now you are able to see. Now you can create descriptive flex fields over. Now, just click on plus button, sir. I want to capture new value. Create the name of that flex field is I'm giving test 17. Okay. Code automatically taken. Now, come here. Data type, I'm taking it as a character, number, date. These all are the types that we can create. Character, number, date and time along with the time. Okay. So whenever we are defining the descriptive flex field, you can define whether it is a character related, you want to capture any characters over there, or else you want to capture any number or anything. Okay. Okay. Now, coming to see when I am choosing character over here, just to come down. It is also one of the very important questions, sir. Just click on blank search. Click on blank search. See how many attributes are available, sir? Under the varchar, 30, right? But if you are observing, after 5 only available. Hello? Yes or no? Why, sir? Remaining other things all are already used over here. Now coming to how many character type, how many character type descriptive flex fields that we can create on this page? Over here, character type, how many that we can create? 30. And now let me answer. Choose number type. Okay, number data type. Come here and search. How many that we are getting? How many we are getting? 20, right? Number we can create. Number type segments that we can create, totally 20. Now coming to choose over here date and come here. Give the blank search. How many we have, sir? 15. Under date that we can create 15. Okay. Now coming to date and time. Under date and time, how many we can create? Oh, nothing is coming. Actually, under date and time also, we can able to create nearly 50. How many? So, by combine over here, how many flex wheels that we can create over here, sir? Total flex wheels. How many we can create? How many we can create? See, character type, capturing character type information, character type information. These all are the character type informations. We can create 30, number type 20, date 15, date and time also 15. Nearly here and there 15 or else something, date and time something like 5 or 10 it will be there. Totally 65 to 70 flex fields here and there, almost on each page 60 to 70 extra attributes we can create apart from Oracle provided extra information that we can capture on each site. Hope you got this info. Okay, now coming to and keeping this one is character attribute 5 is chosen. Okay, now coming to the concept value set. Coming to the concept over here, value set. Okay, so I'm not choosing any value set. I'm just creating over here value set. What is meant by value set, sir? Now, just click on value set. What is value set, sir? Value set in the sense, suppose example, and if I am choosing this list of values, we are choosing this list of values. Where we are captured this list of values, sir? For that one, we will create a value set and we will attach that value set to the attribute, the new attribute that we are creating, right? For that attribute. Okay. Now, this value set I want to create. Listen very carefully, sir. On global human resource, the type I'm creating, okay. Now I'm creating how many types that we have, sir? We have format only, dependent, independent, subset, and table. Mostly 90% we will create independent or table. In real time, we use independent and table. Now, let me explain what is this format only. Format only in the sense, okay, over here, you will see nothing, sir. You can't even write or you can't even capture, nothing will be there. Just it will create a blank one which will not allow you to enter the information itself, like just a format only. Over there, nothing will be there. If you want to create the value set in that way, you choose format only. But 99% we don't use format only, sir. It's just a zero information like that. Okay. And dependent, and first I'm trying to explain independent values. Okay. Then after we will discuss dependent and table and subset. Okay. Let me create one DFF with the independent. Independent, I'm choosing the dot value type is character. Okay. Now, independent in the sense, what all are the types are there, sir? Over here, I'm writing. What all are the types of value sets are there? What are all the types of value sets are there? That is format only. Okay. Dependent. Dependent. Okay. Subset. Table. Okay. So now format only in the sense I just explained. Try to do it by your own. Nothing will be there. If I'm choosing the format only, nothing will come over there. Okay. There is no use of using this format only. In real time also, 99% we won't use. Mostly we use independent and table. Okay. But still I will explain subset and dependent also. Now, coming to independent, I'm choosing the data type is character. Okay. Security enabled. Security enabled, if I'm keeping in the sense, over here you have to give the roles, security resources, names, and everything and all. It is not useful. Allow the data security policies to control user access to value in the value set. Okay. So we have a concept security profile, sir. There we can define or we can restrict who should access this one, who should not access this attribute. So if you want to make it available, you can choose it over. And you have to provide data security names and all. It will confuse you now. Keep it aside until we are discussing security related topics. Now, now concentrate on only DFFs. How to create a DFF? Our goal is we have to create a DFF like this. List of values should come in this way. This is our target. Okay. Value subtype. Okay. What is the value subtype that I am creating? Text I am keeping. Okay. Maximum length, how much you can keep? I can keep maximum length. I am keeping 10 I am keeping. Okay. Now, zero fill allowed. Without filling also, can we allow this one? Yes. Or else, do you want to create the values? See, now here in this case, I am discussing about the list of values, project A, project B like this. So, for how those things should look like, type and length and everything. What is this maximum value and minimum value, sir? If I'm choosing the number, then only these values are available. Okay. So if I'm giving the values also, maximum, minimum value and maximum value, it will throw an error. Okay. It will throw a error. If I'm keeping save, see, it will throw an error. Okay. Now just click on save. Once you observed or not, once I'm clicking on save, manage values are highlighted and value set code is non-editable. Got it? Now, just click on, I'm removing upper, okay, keep uppercase, not a problem. Manage values, click on manage values. Over here, click on plus values I'm giving. Over here, characters only, right? That's why you should not give the numbers. Test Pro A. Okay. Test project B. Test project C. Date, start date and end date I'm not giving. Okay. Just click on save, save and close. I'm coming outside of the value set, sir. You observe. Save and close. Okay. See, whatever we have created attached over here. Now, come down. Default type is save. Okay. Raghu, what is this default type? When over here, see, I'm not choosed any project A. If your requirement is, if the end user is not choosing any value, do you want to keep any default value in that attribute? If that is the thing, you can use any constant. Any constant value like that you can keep. Like test to pro, yeah, in this way. Or else, I'm not satisfied with this one. I need, there is a bigger concepts are there, sir, advanced concepts. That is Groovy script, expression, and SQL. SQL also you can keep, like select, okay, like department where, okay, person, legal entity is equals to something else. In this way also we can create. Means you can create, you can give the default value as SQL query, in which way my requirement is based on the legal entity, this value should come as default. If that is the requirement, you can give, like, you can use a SQL query. Over there you can give, okay, select department where the legal entity is equal to this one. If the requirement is choosing the department or choosing the select project, test project A, where the legal entity is equal to something like in this way. Hope you got it. You can even use SQL query also, but now it's a very higher level concept. For now, no need to explore those things. Okay. Display, I'm using list of values. Over there, so many options are there, sir. Okay. Text area in the sense, you can write this type of text area, and text box, list of values, hidden, it will not be available. Drop down list of values and drop down list. What is the difference, sir? Drop down list in the sense, over there you can see the search option is there, sir. Whenever we are searching something, under the drop down there is a search. If you don't want like that, you want just to list up values, then you can use this list of values. Pop-up list of values and text area in the sense, this is text area. Text box in the sense, text area cannot be extended. Box in the sense, you can extend like this. Try to explore all remaining options also. For now, I'm using list of values. Okay. And over here, size also matters, sir. Over here means what is the size of this one? By default, mostly we will use 10 to 15, sir. Better to use, okay, 12 or 13. 12 or 13. Now, coming to what is this definition help text and what is this instruction help text? Okay. I don't want to explain right now. Just now I will give the values and I will show it to you where these values are coming. Okay. Test new value capture over here. Please provide uh, project information allocated to this information I'm capturing. Now you will understand where it is coming in the when I am deploying. You can create read only. If I'm enabling read only, you cannot do or choose any values. Okay. Now coming to BI enabled. Sir, this is very important. See, over here, you can observe over here, sir. What is this attribute column, sir? And what is this one, sir? See, if you are writing any SQL query in the BIP, okay, sir, it will fetch the value that we are assigned. See, select attribute 5. Under this table, attribute 5 column, under this table, there are so many columns, right? One of the column is attribute 5. Under this column, these values are saved. Which values? This value is saved. If you want to save, if you want to use in BA reports, these values, click on BA enable. Now, that is the first point. And last and final, okay, if you are keeping it is required, if you are keeping it is required, over there star mark will come, sir. It is become as a mandatory thing. Okay. Now, just save, click on save and save and close. Okay. Now, just save and save and close. Now you observe, sir, deployment status is not enabled. Just click on deploy FlexFit. Now deployment will happen. You have to deploy, sir. Once you create it, you have to deploy. Okay. Once it is deployed, just click on OK. Okay. Now, come here. Sign out. Come here. Again, sign in. Okay. Now, my client group, my group, new person, hire an employee. See, test 17 is coming. Hello. And it is mandatory. List of values are coming. Now you see, I'm just keeping the cursor over here. What it is giving, sir? test to new value capture. And over here, if I'm keeping my cursor over here, what it is giving, sir? If I'm keeping my cursor over here, what it is giving? Please provide the project information allocated to him. Where I captured this one, sir? Over there in the text boxes, right? Correct? Now you ask me the questions. What are the questions that you have? You can unmute and you can ask. Hope you understood these points. Srinu, Akhil, Pratap, Mukesh.
Raghu, how we select this location? It will default to come in the last, or can we change the location also?
I didn't got you.
The placement, you can see, right? The placement of the attribute we created, test 17.
Placement, I didn't got your question.
We have created test 17, right?
You are
Descriptive fit.
asking like this one we are created. So in the requirement, business will ask on which page that you are going to create, on which page that they are expecting to be created.
Okay. If there are
So
no, yeah.
if they are asking us to create, suppose example, if they are asking us to create, they're asking us to create in another page, add pending worker. At the add pending worker, if they want to create, okay, come here, highlight the flex fields. Here you can create. See. Over here also. See. On which page that they are expecting, on that page that you have to create. Got it?
Yeah, but what if descriptive flex fields are not yet there in the page?
Then you cannot create. But on each page, there will be nearly 60 descriptive flex fields that we can create.
Okay. But if there is a scratch project we are implementing, so how we add the descriptive flex fields there?
That's what now. So suppose example, scratch project in the sense, and first question, Akhil, on which page they want to create descriptive flex field, that question you will ask to them, correct?
Yeah.
Then what you will do, you will navigate to that page. Then there you will create these descriptive, there you will create this descriptive flex fields by highlighting the descriptive flex field, correct?
Yes.
Your question is, over there nothing is there, how the highlight will be happened? That is your question, right?
Yeah.
Over there, if nothing is there, highlight will happen on here. See, I'm just already highlighted. If this is not a descriptive flex field, na? Over here from under this one we can create. This is got highlighted. See, if it is not there, this is highlighted, na, descriptive flex field.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, under this one you can create. We are not.
Okay. So the descriptive flex field, that attribute will be present.
This
Even
is
if
the, over it will be presented. Each page it will be presented. Under this one only we are able to create.
Okay.
Got it? So I told two ways, right? And now I'm showing another way. Okay. So people are asking you to create descriptive flex field under where, sir? Hired employee. Okay. So this is one place and another place, manage descriptive flex field over there per person's TFF. Or else over here one thing is there, sir. Add global segment. Over here also you can click this one. You can click. Okay. You can click, sir. One pop-up will be open. Okay. That prompt I am giving. New 17. Text field only I am choosing. Okay, size 14 I'm giving. Definition text, instruction text, right? You know, right, these things? Okay, you can keep it as mandatory, that is read only, read. Okay, you can keep over here test field, or I'm giving drop down list of values. Then see over here you can create list of values. Okay, default value I'm giving for your information. New 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 default like that. Okay, so now if I'm giving in this way, don't keep it as required. Already kept it as required, right? Okay, so now you have chosen character and list of values and everything and all. Just click on save and deploy. See, over here itself, within the pop-up, we are saving and deploying. This is a third method, sir, to create a DFF. Just to save and deploy. Why? 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 It's a character, list of values. Your application has occurred the helpdesk user the following the more details instance 17 support domain and why it is not allowing here. That's it, no? Very simple thing. Okay, let me create another one. Hmm. It is displaying easy value that I'm creating. Okay. Now I'm creating a new value. New advanced 17 text field. Search. I need of search. Project A. Project B. Project C. Let's see. Deploy. Hmm. Okay, click on OK. Now just cancel. Okay, log out. Whenever you are doing deployment, just click on log out and log in. So once you observed or not observed, sir, in advanced mode, there itself that we are able to give these values. Correct? Come down. See, this is the value, right? PA, PB, PC. Whatever we created from here, those things we can create it from here itself, right? Hello. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sana.
Yes? Good. Shall I continue, sir? Hello.
Yes, Sana.
Is it okay if I continue?
Yes, Raghu.
Oh, super. Now, Raghu, that's okay, Raghu. Well and good. But my requirement is, if I am choosing, so this is one of the, my requirement is, if I am choosing, like, whatever the values that I am choosing over here, like employee office is branch office. If I am choosing like this, I want to capture more information in the branch office. If I'm choosing branch office, see, observe over here. This is the requirement. If I'm choosing the branch office, more two attributes should open. See, another two attributes are getting opened, right? Branch office name, branch office city. If I am choosing branch office, I have to create two more, I have to open two more options. If that is the requirement, hello, got this point? What I'm trying to explain? The requirement is, if the requirement is list of values, or if the requirement is capture some information, that we can create directly. But if the requirement is in this way, if I am choosing any value, one attribute is there, sir. Over there, you can choose any values, sir. Based upon the values that we are choosing, another attributes are getting opened, sir. Okay. If that is the requirement, then how we can do? Come here, highlight flex field. In that scenario, you have to just highlight the flex fields. Okay. Now you can observe over here, sir. Just click on this one. I'm just clicking on this one. Click on edit. Click on edit. Come down. Come down, say. These all are called as context segments. Call it as context segments. Clear? What we will call, sir? These all are called as context segment. See, I'm creating employee office. Over here, we can create only one, sir. Okay. I'm creating employee office details like this. Okay. This is now value set and all I will manage in other way. List of values I'm taking. Okay. Now come here. Observe very carefully, sir. Descriptive flexibles I'm created from here. If the requirement is like this, if I'm choosing anything, remaining things should be open. If that is a requirement, this comes under the context segments. Over there, you have to give the value prompt. Okay. Then after list of values and click on manage context. Click on manage context. Already existing context will be open. Okay. You can use existing context or else if you want to create new context. See, I'm creating new context. What are the new contexts, sir? New branch office. Okay. So now just save this one. Now then only you are able to open this one. See, context values. See, if the employee under this employee office type also changes, right? Over here, if he is choosing new branch office, what all are the attributes should be open? Okay. Then again, it is navigated to Again, it is navigated to Caesar attributes. New attributes it is opening, right? So now you open that. New BOCT. Okay. Come down. Data type, I'm choosing character. Okay. Value set. Okay. Value set, I'm giving any blank value sets I'm giving, sir. Something under 30 characters, something under. Okay. I am not explaining any value sets over here. I'm concentrating on only segments. Okay. Default and required, nothing I'm choosing, just I'm keeping on BI enable. Okay. This is character attribute one. Just save. Save and close. Choose another one, sir. Click outside. Value set I'm providing over here. Thirty characters only I'm choosing. Come here. BA enable you can keep. Okay. Save. Save and close. Now I'm just clicking on save and save and close. Then again, whatever we created, new, right? New branch office. If I'm clicking on place over there, we are getting all these things, right? Okay. Save and close. Name we changed. Employee office details. Come here. Save. You observe, right? We went to manage context. Save and close. Choose. Deploy. Okay. Successfully deployed. Click on place. Come here. Come here. Click on cancel. Okay. Click on cancel. Log out. Okay. Again sign in. Okay. Now go there. New person. Hire an employee. Come down. See. It is changed or not? Okay. Our value is coming. New branch office. Two values are opening. Hello. Yes or no, sir?
Yes, sir.
Hope you understood this one.
Yeah.
Nothing, sir. Just you go there into the context value. Under that context value, you have to define the segment, then after these values. Okay. Now, very important point, sir. Very, very important point. Highlight flex fill over there. Okay. In the context segments. Over there, context code is there. See, context code is there. Yes. Hello. If you are keeping this context code only available as a country code, then this one will be available only for that country. We can keep US as a context code. Display name you can create new got it. If the requirement, if you are getting the requirement, I need context value. I means these values or else this context value should be visible only for the legal entity or only for the certain countries. Only for the certain countries. Then you can make the context code as US or UK and France in that way. Okay. Now just click on cancel. Now, next thing that I want to explain it to you, I want to explain it to you. That is, okay, create a new one, cancel, create a new DFF, new dependent, DFF. Okay. So how can we define what is the requirement? This is a third type of requirement. My requirement is in the test PROA. If I am choosing test PROA in test advanced 17, I should get only AAA. If I am choosing test PROB under this attribute, employee can choose BBB. Okay. Understood? How many of you understood? The requirement understood? In the test 17, if I am choosing A, then the list of values under the test B over here should be changed. If I am based upon the values that I am choosing in another attribute, based on the attributes, based on the list of values we are choosing in one attribute, another attribute list of values should be changed, sir. If this is the requirement, how we can do? This one we call it as dependent, sir. Okay, we call it as dependent. Data type, choose it as a character. Value set, over here value set, create value set. Okay. Okay, now come down. Come down. Module should be okay. Type I'm choosing over here. See, dependent. See, once observe you are here. If I am choosing dependent, what happens? See, over here it is asking for the on which one it should be dependent. What's the value set that we choose, sir? Selected? Any idea? Which value set that we choose? One second.
Raghu, you are speaking on mute.
Sorry. See, my requirement is, I'm just choosing this one. My requirement is, if the independent value, if the over here in the test 17, if I'm choosing test pro A, if I'm choosing test pro A, in new attribute, this AA value should come. If I am choosing B option, if I am choosing B, okay, if I am choosing C, it should give the options C. Got it? Now just save and close. Means our requirement is, if I am choosing C, now in the whatever the new attributes that we are creating over there, the option should be C and CCC should be there. Even though we are creating these things, it should depend on the values. Okay, that is called independent value set, sir. Just to click on save and close. Okay, save and close. Every time save, then after only save and close, sir. Save and close, deploy FlexFields. Okay, just click on OK. Now, then after, come here, sign out, sign in. Okay, now click on new person, hire an employee. Okay, new dependent 17 is came up, right? Yes, came up. Now, that options, what are the options that you are getting over here? Nothing. Come here in the test 17, I'm choosing A option. Now you see, what are the options that you are getting, sir? A, right? If I'm choosing B, now what are the options that you are getting? B, right? If I'm choosing C, then what are the options that you will get, sir? C, right? Hello? Got it? What I'm trying to explain. If the requirement is, so Raghu, you just explained in the test like that and all. What will be the real-time example, sir? Let me explain. If the real-time example is, if the employee project name is this one, based upon the project name, over here, cost center should be visible. Based upon the project name, over there, cost center, costing. Under which cost center, this costing will be available. That information that you want to capture. Then this is the option. This is one of the real-time scenario. Okay. This one we call it as, how many DFFs are that we discussed? Descriptive flex fields. Now, okay, extensible flex fields. See, till now, whatever we discussed over here, if I am saying these all are the descriptive flex fields up to here. Okay. Now coming to what is meant by extensible flex field? This is edit flex field. This is extensible flex fields. Whenever we are choosing a value, like this, it is open, it is extending its it is extending the flex fields, right? So see, it is extending, see, these two. These all are the two types of flex fields that we have in wait, sir, core HR prospect. Got it? These all are the two types of flex fields. How many of you understood? And not only these two, sir, we have another one is also there, ClearFX fields, but this one we will explain in payroll. Payroll module we will explain this. How many of you understood?
Yeah, Raghu, can we extend it to one more segment? Like if we're selecting one, we will get another attribute, right? Then
Sorry?
after selecting another attribute, can we get another one?
So you're asking like
Second level of attribute.
no. Once context flex field, based upon the options that you are choosing over there, it will extend remaining attributes over there.
Only second level till.
Second level things all over there. But in the second level, we can use the list of values also over there. That option is there.
Yeah, if it is listing, but after listing that one, maybe again, if we have to choose.
Oh yeah, no.
Yeah.
You made second link, you're asking, right?
Yes, yes.
No, yeah. Up to there only it is available. How many of you understood? Any doubts or something under? Hello. Clear or doubts? So you're supposed to practice more, yeah? Correct? Hello.
Yes, Raghu.
Yeah, Raghu.
And now, can I take for 5 more minutes? Is it okay? Only for 5 minutes?
Okay, Raghu.
Okay.
Sorry?
It's okay. Raghu.
Yeah. Let me share my screen. The two things are that we are missing over here is like whenever, okay, just click on cancel, click on edit, create, click on edit and create new one. Okay, just to give name is subset. Now create a value set. What is this subset value set, sir? Okay, let me explain. Okay, I don't create any attributes, sir. Just I will try to explain how the subset value set works. Okay, choosing subset. See, once if I am choosing subset, it will ask for the value set, existing value set. See, you can create. What is the existing value set, sir? This one only, right? Okay. In this one, we have three options, sir. If I'm not wrong, we have three options. Okay. What is a subset, sir? If the requirement is came up, all over there, you have to choose only two things. You have to choose only two values. The two values are also comes under the existing value set. Then you can use existing value set and you can create create plus these are the values, right? I want to use only two. Just control choose and just click on apply. And Raghu, what I have done, Raghu? What I have done over here? I just created a value set. By using existing value sets values only. I'm not creating any new values over here. So if you want to create new value set by using existing value sets, list of values, then this is the one of the thing. Just click on save and save and close. You can practice this one, sir. I'm not creating this one. If I'm creating this one over there, only two values will be available. Correct? Hello. Shall I create? Takes only lesser time only, sir. You can even create this. Okay. Now coming to create a new one and click on create value set. Over here, we have another option, sir. That is called, see, if I'm choosing table, see, if I'm choosing table, see, sir, how it is open, how it is opening. What is this value set, sir? Table value set. Okay. So prior to that one, I will explain. We can even navigate to the value set. Cancel, cancel. Manage value sets. From here also we can create value sets. I'm trying to show it to you already existing value sets. Global human resource. Okay. I'm choosing over here table. Okay. Then just click on search. Okay. These all are the things that you are getting. Okay. See over here, just to choose this one and click on edit. Now you can observe over here, sir, already existing one. See, this is select. See, select. Where is the select, sir? See, this one is normal hours. Okay. From which table? For all assignments. From this table. Where 1 is equals to 1 and okay, got it? Here we are fetching the information. This one also gives a list of value or not? This gives the values related to normal hours of all the employees. Means how normal hours of employees in the sense 8, 8, 8. Like this information comes or not? Hello? Yes or no? Select some attribute from one table and some conditions. If you want to choose the table, if you want to create a table by using SQL query, then you have to choose as table. Got it or doubt? It's a kind of technical thing, sir. You just try to understand what I choose over here. Select some values from some table, some SQL query. How many of you understood this table one? Hello.
Yeah, we have to
So
practice
just
that.
simply here, if the requirement subset you understood, I know that is very easy, straightforward. Table in the sense, if you want to get the information of like list of values, like more list of values, like suppose example, I want to get the departments coming under some business unit. What all are the departments comes under this business unit? That is the requirement. Then you can you can write an SQL query over there, select departments from department table where the legal entity is equal to this one. Then under the list of values, it will give you all the department values which all are coming under the legal entity. In that way that we will use the table value set. Got it? Hello. Hope you understood.
Yes, Raghu. We can skip the manual entries by using Scrum.
We can skip the, no, manual entrance will be there, but over there, list of values are coming, right? List of values you can create independently as a value set and you can attach it over there to the attribute. Or else you can use this SQL query also in order to bring that list of values. It is very difficult to me to see. One way that I can do, add all the department names over there in the independent value set, department 1, department 2, department 3, like that. Or else you can create a table value set over there. You can write one small SQL query. The SQL query itself will bring all the value sets, all the list of values. Understood?
Yes, Raghu.
Just try to practice as much as possible. Okay. And update me what are the practice that you have done. And if you are getting any doubts, okay, bring me in to my consideration. Like, what are the doubts that you are getting? Everything under. Huh? Clear?
Okay, Raghu.
Okay. Try to practice as much as possible, sir.
Okay, Raghu.